हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड वाला। आई एम सोनू। दोस्तों, महाराज फिल्म देखा मैंने नेटफ्लिक्स पर स्टारिंग जुनैद खान। दोस्तों, लेट मी टेल यू, जुनैद खान इज टेरिफिक, आउटस्टैंडिंग, ब्रिलियंट, terrific actor, terrific acting. That is what you will get to see from Junaid Khan in a film which is a well made, well directed and very well acted film. दोस्तों, in fact, let me tell you, the way Junaid Khan enters in this film, उनका जो introduction है, the way the camera pans on Junaid Khan, on his handsome face, Junaid Khan looking absolutely striking, absolutely dashing. और उसके बाद वहां से स्टोरी जो टेक ऑफ करता है, दोस्तों, पीरियड फिल्म है, जिस तरह से स्टोरी टेक ऑफ करता है, यू सी जुनैद प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ करसन दास. व्हाट डज जुनैद एज करसन दास डिस्कवर? व्हाट डज ही सी? व्हाट डज ही रियलाइज? व्हाट डज ही लर्न? एंड देन हाउ ही फाइट्स फॉर जस्टिस, हाउ ही फाइट्स फॉर व्हाट इज राइट, हाउ ही फाइट्स अगेंस्ट द रॉन्ग, हाउ ही फाइट्स फॉर द ट्रुथ, दोस्तों. And how he galvanates, how he gets all the people, does he get support from people or not? Or does he fight on his own merit, using his own strength, using his own steely determination, his will, his resolve, and ultimately, when the case reaches the Supreme Court of Bombay, during those days, what time ka Supreme Court of Bombay, what happens inside the courtroom? What kind of arguments are produced before the courtroom, before the judges, and then, of course, what does Karsan Das, that is, what is Junaid, have to say as Karsan Das inside the courtroom? क्या होता है दोस्तों, किस तरह का स्टेटमेंट्स आता है, एंड अल्टीमेटली ट्रायम्फ यानी विक्ट्री किसको मिलता है? Who wins? Who loses? Does Karsan Das win the case or not? दोस्तों, ये जो थ्रिलिंग तरीके से बताया है, that will absolutely keep you engaged. But let me tell you, it is Junaid Khan who absolutely shines, who absolutely impresses you. First of all, let me tell you, as Karsan Das, there is an innocence that Junaid Khan portrays. That innocence is absolutely striking. It will impress you. There is a charm in Junaid Khan's screen presence that you will immediately like. And above all, the kind of acting that Junaid Khan has displayed, which looks absolutely natural, absolutely real and very very impactful. वो जो acting performance है, वो जो उनका body language, and plus more importantly वो जो intensity है उनके performance में as Karsan Das, that will leave you absolutely impressed. In fact, there are so many standout moments. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, there is this moment in the film, वो जो एक फेस ऑफ मोमेंट है बिटवीन जुनैद खान एंड जयदीप अहलावत. दोस्तों, वो फेस ऑफ मोमेंट में वो जो इंटेंसिटी है जुनैद खान के परफॉर्मेंस में, दैट एब्सोल्युटली शाइन्स, दैट विल कीप यू कैप्टिवेटेड. वो जिस पैशन के साथ, जिस इंटेंसिटी के साथ डायलॉग डिलीवरी करता है जुनैद खान इन दैट सीन, इट्स सुपर्ब, सुपर्ब, सुपर्ब टू वॉच. जुनैद खान shines and shines as an actor in that scene. In yet another scene where Junaid Khan is addressing the public at large, there is a large gathering. वो जो gathering को address करता है जुनैद खान, Junaid's confidence as an actor shines in that scene. दोस्तों, the confidence and the authority with which he addresses the audience in that particular scene, you see it, you will absolutely like it. And that courtroom wala scene, dosto, the final scene, the climax, the way it happens, dosto, Junaid Khan's speech and his performance is realistic, his heartfelt performance, when he speaks his heart out, it will strike a chord, dosto. That performance will absolutely strike a chord. Junaid Khan shines and shines and shines with his terrific, brilliant, magnificent acting, dosto, in this film. And dialogues जिस तरीके से बोला है जुनैद खान ने, दैट विल ऑल्सो लीव अ लास्टिंग इंप्रेशन, अ लास्टिंग इंपैक्ट. इनफैक्ट, लेट मी टेल यू दोस्तों, देयर इज दिस डायलॉग इन द फिल्म. जुनैद का एक डायलॉग है जिसमें जुनैद खान बोलता है, ताला अंदर से लगा हो और चाबी आपके हाथ में हो, फिर भी इंसान बंदी बनकर रहे, मतलब कैद उसका निर्णय है. वो जिस तरीके से बोलता है, वो जो एक एफर्टलेस ईज है उनके उस डायलॉग डिलीवरी में, यार, you will absolutely like it. Super impressed with Junaid Khan's debut as an actor, as a performer, as an artist in Maharaj. Dosto, in fact, let me tell you, the quietest ever Star Kid launch that has happened, which is utterly shocking. अगर आप देखोगे, there is always this conversation revolving around nepotism and extravagant Star Kid launches. But why is no one talking about Junaid Khan's debut film? Dosto, despite all these things, no big launches, no extravagant launches, despite that, Junaid Khan's acting stands out. His sincerity stands out. And you root for his performance because that is the kind of performance he has delivered in this film. You see it and he will absolutely shine because of his performance. That is the kind of natural acting that Junaid Khan has delivered. And let me tell you, dosto, Junaid Khan auditioned for this film multiple times without the knowledge of his father Amir Khan. In fact, Amir was not even aware that his son is auditioning for Maharaj. And he got to know it later on after multiple auditions. In fact, this is where I will give credit to Junaid Khan, because he comes from a family which has got a rich legacy as far as producers go. His uncle, his relatives are all renowned producers from the 80s and 90s. तो चाहिए तो वो मदद ले सकता था, वो हेल्प ले सकता था. So despite his family legacy, his family lineage, he chose to earn this role. Junaid chose to earn this role on his own merit, with his own hard work, by auditioning for the role multiple times, dosto, and that deserves credit, dosto. And that is why when you see his performance on screen, you will absolutely connect, you will absolutely love, because you see that honesty, you see that sincerity, you see that hard work that has gone in to prepare for this challenging role. And also, like his father Amir Khan, Junaid also has a background in theatre, and that has equipped him very well. That has given him the necessary acting skills that he needs to perform this challenging role in Maharaj. Superb stuff. And dosto, there is zero buzz, zero hype or marketing about the film. There is no marketing of the film at all, अगर आप देखोगे तो, and no extravagant, gimmicky, promotional big launches like it happens with other films. Despite there being no promotions, Junaid Khan shines, and that is why acting जिस तरह से उन्होंने किया वो उनका strong point बनकर निकला है, दोस्तों. That is something that we need to appreciate. That is something that we need to give credit for Junaid Khan, to Junaid Khan. Superb stuff, dosto. And let me also say this. He has stayed with this film for 3 long years. He's waited for 3 long years for this film to release, and he has undergone massive body transformation. Junaid has lost almost 26 kgs. 26 kgs to prepare for this role. That is absolutely big transformation. And dosto, this is something that I can say, being a journalist, being from the media fraternity, I will tell you, there is no star kid who is as humble and as rooted, as grounded as Junaid Khan is. He's the most humblest ever star kids that I have come across, dosto. If you talk to him, the way he talks with so much of politeness, so much of courteousness, so much of वो culture है उनमें, तो वो आपने भी वीडियोस देखा होगा, तो वो वार्मथ आपको नजर आएगा, दोस्तों. एंड दैट इज समथिंग सुपर्ब. दैट इज अ ट्रेडमार्क. दैट इज very special, a very special nature of Junaid Khan, is humble nature, and he's not someone who runs behind the glitz and glam of the Bollywood world. Is not someone like that at all. And I've always only heard so much nice and good things about Junaid Khan from the media fraternity. दोस्तों, आप लोग भी जाइए, आप लोग भी देखिए, ये फिल्म देखिए, जुनैद खान के परफॉर्मेंस के लिए देखिए, बिकॉज द वे जुनैद हैज परफॉर्म्ड, आई एम टेलिंग यू, it is terrific, it is brilliant, it is outstanding. But his innocence, his charming screen presence, and his superb dialogue delivery, and his body language, and his confident aura will absolutely impress and super impress you. Dosto, I'm going with 4 stars out of 5. 4 stars for Junaid's performance. That is what I'm giving, 4 stars for the film. आपका टेक लिखकर जरूर बताना, आप भी देखिए फिल्म, एंड लेट मी नो आपको फिल्म कैसे लगा, एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली जुनैद का परफॉर्मेंस आपको इंप्रेसिव लगा कि नहीं. लेट मी नो योर टेक. एंड बाकी लोगों का परफॉर्मेंस भी दोस्तों इस फिल्म में काफी अच्छा है. एवरीवन हैज गिवन अ नाइस परफॉर्मेंस. जयदीप इज आल्सो वेरी नाइस. शालिनी पांडे इज वेरी गुड. शर्वरे इज आल्सो वेरी नाइस. बट it is Junaid who absolutely shines as Karsan Das, the man who is fighting a battle for justice, for truth, and the way Junaid does it, it is absolutely superb, magnificent, impressive to watch. Let me know your take दोस्तों, and of course like, share and subscribe भी करना चैनल को, वीडियो को, एंड सुपर थैंक्स का ऑप्शन भी है, वो भी आप दे सकते हो, और साथ में इंस्टाग्राम पे भी आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हो. मेरा यूजर नेम है @bollywoodwala. चलिए टाटा.